Alrighty, so we're going to be looking at doing our experiment for our mousetrap racer. Obviously, I'm going to be using a slightly different car just because I'm lazy and I didn't want to build a mousetrap racer. Also, having a smaller car makes it a bit easier, and I'm all about making it a bit easier. You'll find that it is challenging getting your balloon to power your mousetrap racer because of the size. That's okay. If you can't, if you're trying, you can't, I'm happy for you to use a rubber band. This is only the warm-up experiment, okay? It's only the experiment that we're using to modify, okay? So you need to do it. You need to make sure you get reasonably good results so you can talk about, maybe talk about the analysis, why your second experiment is better, okay? So before I ever start any experiment, I like to do up my table. So I've just got up my mass, my time, and what I'm gonna record is the time it takes to travel 2 meters. Now, that will tell me something about the acceleration. I'm not gonna give too many secrets away, but I'm gonna record the time it takes me to travel 2 meters. I'm gonna record that 3 times. Today I'm only gonna do one example for you, then I'm gonna calculate my average. I'll let you decide what you do with that. Okay, so quite simply, I've got my balloon. I've got 50 gram masses because I'm at school and I've got a lovely science department, science lab techs who sort me out. You guys probably haven't got that at home. So you can use all sorts of masses, whether that's tuna tins, whether that's packets, whatever it is, I don't care. You just got to get some mass that you know. If you can get it going up in even increments, that's good, but it doesn't need to. You can go up 10 grams, 40 grams, 30 grams, 15, it doesn't matter. As long as you've got a changing in mass, you're all good. Okay, so I'm just going to briefly run through the experiment. I'm going to blow the balloon up with no mass, record the time it takes to travel 2 meters. Now you're probably asking, how do I record that? The most precise method will be to use an iPad app, something that detects, you can film it and see when it starts and see when it gets to your 2 meters. Otherwise, you can use a stopwatch, it's a bit less accurate, or you could use a various number of slow motion apps. It doesn't bother me. You can decide how you do it from there, okay? Accuracy doesn't need to be paramount, but it'd be good to be accurate because it'll help you with your final experiment. So straight up, draw my table. I'm now going to get ready to do my report. I've got my balloon car, I've got my masses ready. I'm going to start on 0, then work my way up and try and get it to stop moving at about 150 grams, but I haven't tested it yet, so we'll find out.